8 Health Benefits of Drinking Olive Oil at Night. Did you know that consuming olive oil at night may bring several beneficial effects on your body and mind? What are those advantages? Is it good to drink olive oil before sleep? How much should you consume daily, and is it safe to do so? Let's discover now. Olive oil is an essential component of the Mediterranean diet and has been utilized for centuries as a natural solution for different health problems. According to certain sources, consuming a small amount of olive oil before sleep can significantly enhance your health. Today, we will review the 8 health advantages of consuming olive oil at night. But before we begin, please keep in mind that this content is for educational purposes only. Always consult your healthcare professional if you have questions about your diet, especially to your specific health conditions. Before diving in, I'd love to know where you're tuning in from. Leave a comment and feel free to ask questions. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss the best health advice from our channel. Together, let's build a healthier, stronger tomorrow. Now, let's explore the 8 benefits. Number 1, enhancing cardiovascular health. Heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide. To promote heart health, consider using olive oil. This cooking staple is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are crucial for controlling blood pressure and lowering harmful cholesterol levels. Several observational studies from a few decades ago revealed that heart disease was less common in Mediterranean countries. This discovery led to extensive research on the Mediterranean diet, which has now proven to significantly reduce the risk of heart disease. People who follow the Mediterranean diet tend to live longer and have a lower chance of dying from cardiovascular diseases compared to those on other diets. Some experts even consider it the gold standard in preventive medicine. One of the key ingredients in this diet is extra virgin olive oil, which protects against heart disease in several ways. The main fats in olive oil are called oleic acid, a type of monounsaturated fat. These fats boost the levels of HDL cholesterol, which helps remove bad cholesterol from your bloodstream. They help lower the levels of LDL cholesterol, which can build up in arteries and cause heart problems. These fats decrease inflammation in the body, reducing the risk of heart disease. When LDL cholesterol oxidizes, it can damage artery walls. These fats prevent that oxidation, offering protection. They enhance the function and health of the blood vessel linings, improving overall circulation. These fats help prevent the blood from clotting too much, reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Recent studies also suggest that polyphenols, a type of antioxidant found in extra virgin olive oil, may protect against various cardiovascular issues, including atherosclerosis, stroke, brain dysfunction, and even cancer. Number 2, optimize sleep quality. Sleep is crucial for our overall health. Not getting enough sleep can lead to serious health problems, including obesity, heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. A good night's sleep keeps both our mind and body healthy, allowing us to perform our best the next day. If you struggle with falling asleep, staying asleep, or waking up feeling groggy, consider incorporating olive oil into your nightly routine. Research suggests that oleic acid and omega-9 fatty acids found in olive oil assist in the release of melatonin, the hormone that regulates the sleep-wake cycle. Melatonin, present in higher levels in olive oil compared to refined olive or sunflower oil, can help you fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. Taking olive oil before bed aids your body in relaxing and getting into a natural sleep rhythm, ensuring you get the restorative rest you need. Number 3, improve skin quality and elasticity. Olive oil not only benefits your body internally, but also works wonders through your skin. It contains powerful antioxidants that protect your skin from damage, helping to reduce signs of aging. Research shows that olive oil improves skin quality and makes it more elastic. It achieves this in 2 main ways. 1, increasing collagen production. Collagen is a protein that provides structure and strength to your skin. More collagen means stronger, healthier skin. 2, reducing inflammation. Inflammation can lead to acne, wrinkles, and age spots. By reducing inflammation, olive oil helps keep your skin smooth and wrinkle-free. The antioxidants found in olive oil, like polyphenols and vitamin E, protect your skin from free radicals. Free radicals are harmful molecules produced by UV rays from the sun and pollution. By combating these, olive oil helps prevent premature aging, giving you more youthful-looking skin. Olive oil can be particularly beneficial for those dealing with skin conditions like eczema. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe irritated skin. For the best results, Consider incorporating olive oil into your nightly routine. Drinking a small amount of olive oil at night can maximize its benefits, as your body naturally repairs itself while you sleep. This practice could be your secret to achieving a radiant complexion. In summary, olive oil can significantly enhance your skin's quality and elasticity by increasing collagen and reducing inflammation. Its antioxidants provide additional protection, helping you maintain youthful and healthy skin. Number 4, helps in weight loss. One of the benefits of drinking olive oil before bed is its potential to aid in weight loss, especially with regular use. Extra virgin olive oil is abundant in monounsaturated fatty acids. These healthy fats can help your body burn more fat throughout the day instead of storing it. This means your body uses fat for energy rather than keeping it in reserve. Additionally, consuming olive oil can help balance insulin levels in your blood and reduce inflammation. High insulin levels and inflammation are often linked to weight gain. By stabilizing these factors, olive oil supports a healthier weight. Monounsaturated fatty acids also digest slowly. Unlike fast-digesting foods, they do not cause sudden spikes in blood sugar and insulin levels. These fats maintain a steady balance. This prevents sudden hunger pangs after meals and helps avoid overeating later. In summary, regularly ingesting extra virgin olive oil before bed can help with weight management by boosting fat burning, stabilizing insulin, reducing inflammation, and keeping hunger in check. Number 5, potential anti-cancer properties. Cancer is one of the most common causes of death worldwide. Interestingly, people in Mediterranean countries have a lower risk of certain cancers. Many researchers believe that olive oil might be the key factor behind this reduced risk. The antioxidants in olive oil play an important role in reducing oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are believed to be a major contributor to the development of cancer. So how can olive oil help prevent cancer? The secret lies in its polyphenol compounds, such as hydroxytyrosol, oleuropein, and oleocanthal. Inflammation is a process that can promote the growth of cancer cells. Olive oil's polyphenols help reduce this inflammation. Apoptosis is the programmed death of cancer cells. This means that these compounds can trigger the self-destruction of harmful cancer cells. Metastasis is the spread of cancer cells to other parts of the body. Olive oil's polyphenols make it harder for cancer cells to move and spread. In summary, the antioxidants and polyphenol compounds in olive oil may significantly contribute to its potential anti-cancer properties by reducing inflammation, inducing the programmed death of cancer cells, and preventing the spread of cancer cells. Number 6, reduce inflammation. Inflammation is a natural process that helps our body fight infections and heal injuries. Olive oil is a great help in reducing chronic illnesses and improving overall health by reducing inflammation. Taking olive oil at night acts like a healthy superhero. Its strong antioxidant content, especially polyphenols, gives it powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Several compounds in olive oil, such as oleocanthal, may have anti-inflammatory effects. Oleocanthal can offer pain relief, similar to over-the-counter medication. Research shows that consuming extra virgin olive oil can help reduce inflammation. This can prevent chronic conditions like heart disease and diabetes. Additionally, oleic acid, the main fatty acid in olive oil, can lower levels of certain inflammatory markers, which are substances your body releases in response to inflammation. Olive oil's anti-inflammatory benefits also extend to joint health. Regular consumption may relieve symptoms of arthritis, improving joint flexibility, and reducing pain. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil also support strong bones. By consuming a small amount of olive oil before bed, your body can enjoy its anti-inflammatory benefits during rest and recovery. Number 7, relieves constipation. Constipation is a common issue that many people face. It can be caused by various factors like diet, lifestyle, and even some medications. One way to help with constipation is by consuming healthy fats, such as olive oil. Drinking olive oil can help relieve constipation, especially in older adults. About 34% of people over the age of 60 experience constipation. Olive oil is a natural lubricant, and if you drink a small amount before going to bed, it can improve your bowel function and help relieve constipation. Olive oil also has anti-inflammatory properties, which means it can help lower the risk of bowel diseases. Interestingly, using olive oil for constipation relief has been found to be as effective as mineral oil, a commonly used stool softener. So if you want a natural way to ease constipation and improve your bowel movements for the next day, try drinking a small amount of olive oil before bed. It might be just what you need for a smoother digestive experience. Number 8. Help prevent strokes. A stroke occurs due to a disruption in blood flow to the brain, either from a blood clot or bleeding. In developed countries, strokes are the second leading cause of death after heart disease. Research shows a strong connection between olive oil and reduced stroke risk. Many studies have found that olive oil, specifically its monounsaturated fats, lowers the risk of both stroke and heart disease. Adding olive oil to your daily routine can benefit your brain health and decrease stroke risk. Olive oil has anti-inflammatory properties that reduce inflammation in blood vessels, improving blood flow to the brain. This decreases the chance of blood clots and blockages, which often lead to strokes. Olive oil is versatile and can be used for cooking, salad dressings, and more. It is rich in polyphenols, compounds with antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial benefits. A study found that people who regularly used olive oil had a 41% lower risk of stroke compared to those who avoided it, even when considering factors like diet, exercise, and weight. Drinking a small amount of olive oil before bed provides your brain with essential nutrients during sleep, a critical time for restoration. Yes, it is safe and healthy to drink olive oil, but it is crucial to choose the right type. Extra virgin olive oil retains more antioxidants and bioactive compounds from olives, making it healthier than more refined versions. How much olive oil should you drink before bed? There is not a precise amount to gain the most benefits from olive oil, but experts suggest consuming between 1 to 2 tablespoons before going to sleep. However, be cautious not to drink too much at once, as it might irritate your stomach. It is important not to overdo it. Best time to drink olive oil. For the best results, you should drink olive oil either 30 minutes before bedtime or in the morning right after waking up on an empty stomach. This allows your body enough time to digest and absorb the healthy fats found in olive oil. Important tips. Do not eat for an hour before consuming olive oil. Avoid drinking any liquids for 15 minutes before and after taking olive oil. Why consider olive oil before bedtime? 1. Better sleep. Olive oil may help you sleep better. 2. Skin and hair improvement. It can improve your skin and hair health. 3. Overall health. Regular consumption can make you feel healthier. How to take it? You can drink olive oil by itself. Alternatively, add it to a smoothie if that is more convenient for you. Be careful not to consume too much olive oil, as it can upset your stomach. Start with a small amount, like a shot, and see how your body reacts. By adding a small shot of olive oil to your nightly routine, you may experience several health benefits. Give it a try and see how it works for you. If you found this information helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more informative, health-related videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.